Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open piano roll in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now first what we are going to do is we will select here on our timeline this option. Now what you're going to do, firstly you will select here on your timeline the instrument, then simply at the bottom of your screen right here, bottom right corner, you will press on this key, basically key piano notes right here, and it will open up the piano roll right over here. Now you can adjust a little bit, play, change how you would like. So as you can see, we can also change the view. So we have guitar strips all the way to the piano rolls. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.